So if we need to set, from the factory, this unit is set up to do 110 degrees discharge. And if we need to change that, what we're gonna do is we're gonna hold this up and down button for a few seconds. And it's gonna open up the secret debug menu. So we can click that. And here's our temperature limit. So factory, this will come set at like 110, which is our normal, as high as we want to go. You want to consult the factory if you want to change this. But if this is set at 110, you could set your discharge, you could attempt to set any other settings in this thing at higher, and it's not going to do it. It's just not going to work. So if we set our supply air max at 130, which is what we've got, now that's what it's going to bounce off of, and then our supply air min we don't really care about because we're not ducted outside, so it's not going to be that cold. And then we're not worried about that. We're not doing expansion board. These would be certain things if you were trying to put it on a network or deal with some other stuff. We don't really care about that. So then we can just exit back out of that, and that is going to allow us to do this type discharge temperature. If we didn't have that setting done, then we could come here to set point, for instance, and we could do that, and we could like run this up to, you know, 150, but because that other thing is locking it out at 130, it would never actually be able to obtain that, if that makes sense. So only do it if the factory tells you to.